All right, hello everybody. Welcome back, One Guy's Garage. Today's video, we added a GoPro mount into the dash. Oh, gonna get a lot of light glare, I guess. Yep, right there. And we're testing some footage with that, facing forwards and backwards, just cruising around. Nice Sunday cruise. Still making sure we don't burn up any wiring or fuel line, anything like that, before we start trying to drive it to work or anything like that. But we're gonna cut to the GoPro footage here now and hope you guys enjoy. All right, we're gonna try something a little different today. You might not be able to see much right now, I guess. Got the GoPro fired up. We're gonna see what kind of footage we get from that. Haven't had it fired up for a while, so hopefully it's not terrible. First to fourth gear, and she just cruises right along, just quiet as can be. Really a nice little cruiser when you're not beating on it. Beautiful day, so there's tons of people out. Whole neighborhood. See, now that I'm back in my own neighborhood, I gotta drive a little more sane, I guess. Not everybody enjoys the fun of a V8 in a Miata, especially when they're not in the car with you. One of those things, I feel like you could really win people over. You just take them for one ride and they'll understand, but maybe not. Yeah, this thing just doesn't get old, from what I can tell. Thanks guys for watching this rip around the neighborhood with One Guy's Garage. Be sure to smash that like button, subscribe, comment, all that stuff that helps the old algorithm. Have a good night.